In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy Uniswap on Etoro. So this is super easy to do, and the first thing is log into your Etoro account and you'll be on a page like this. You can also do this on the app if you're on your phone. Then go to the panel on the left and go to trade markets, and here you can see all the available assets that you can buy on Etoro. So you can just scroll down and have a look, but at the top you can see the available investments types that you can do. So let's go to crypto because Uniswap is cryptocurrency, and then go to the last one, scroll down. Next to Chainlink is Uniswap. So you can go ahead and buy from here and then enter in the amount. So let's say $50 for now. So I don't have enough balance, but I'm just doing this as a tutorial. And if you want to set a limit order, you can go to orders, set the rate. So for example, 41. And then you can set the order and it will be bought when it's on this. But you can do a trade from here. And once you've bought it and you think you made enough profit and you want to sell, you can go ahead and hover over sell, and it's basically the same thing. It's pretty straightforward. Just hit sell and then you got your money back. Hopefully it was a profit then. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.